All right, so moving on in our discussion of imaginary numbers, now we have complex numbers. And what that means is that we've got to combine our imaginary numbers, which remember, that is identified by I, and real numbers. So for here, 5 would be a real number, 3i is an imaginary number, okay? So the standard form for complex numbers is a plus bi, a being the real number, b being the real number, and I being the imaginary part. So when I put b and I together, it becomes imaginary. So if I look right here, real number, imaginary number. If I could separate the b and the I, b would be a real number, okay? All right, so when we are trying to complete this expression, okay, we go back to solving equations and we combine like terms. So I'm going to box in my like terms, okay, with the variable, with the I. It's not a variable, sorry, it's an imaginary number. And then underline. So 5 plus 4, 9. 6i minus 2i is going to be positive 4i. That's all there is to it. Now, this is the one that we get confused on because technically that negative in front of these parentheses means I have a -1 multiplied by both of these, this real number and this imaginary number inside the parentheses. All that means is that I need to change the sign. So this is a positive 12, now it's going to be a negative 12. This is a negative 10i, it's going to be a positive 10i. Now I combine my like terms. 3 minus 12 is going to be -9. 8 plus 10 is going to be positive 18i. Okay? So I hope that helps to solve up your questions of how to add and subtract complex numbers. If you have any additional questions, just shoot me a message, email me. Let me hear from you.